The pace of technology is moving faster than any of us could have possibly imagined. The aperture for upskilling and reskilling across the world is profound. General Assembly was founded on that principle of bringing new skills. I mean, there's never been a more exciting time to be in the tech industry. Our website and its original tech stack was largely from the early founding of the companies. As you can imagine, 13 years of that kind of evolution led to what we lovingly refer to as a Frankenstack. And we know that Frankenstacks wreak a lot of havoc on productivity. We needed to generate more leads and build credibility. It came down to 3 strategies: helping our products be found more easily, helping customers connect with us more easily, and internally being able to make updates to the website more easily. So we have multiple product lines and multiple audiences, both in the B2B space and the B2C space. And with that comes layers of complexity. And what I love about Sitecore is that it's enabled us to serve both audiences in a really scalable way. We use all kinds of different attribution tools, and very importantly, we need the ability to be able to manage that and swap that out. It needs to be flexible enough that we can do that without breaking all the rest of the systems. And that's another really big, strong selling point of what we found with Sitecore is even within the first 6 months of launching, there was a time where we needed to swap out some of our microservices and how we were doing some data transfer. And we were able to do that, and it didn't have a major disruption to any other component. We were able to move on. Those kinds of things in the past would have taken us weeks, months, maybe on the shelf, and we abandoned it. We now, with our new site, have improved our lead capture rate by 52%, which is quite impressive. Leads that turn into customers is how our organization drives impact, is how our organization enables economic mobility, is how we change lives. We are now exactly who we need to be for where our business is going.